Hey guys, and it's a Monday morning. I'm on the beach. I'm going to try to speak a bit up because it's very windy and the ocean is also quite vocal today. And that is part of my message. So we're so conditioned to immediately discard things that are not perhaps the way we perceive it, or perhaps the way we feel comfortable with it. Even the light is not playing along. And we're so conditioned to be in that spot where to want the comfort always, to want everything perfect in terms of what we think is perfect. So it's too windy, it's too cold, it's not good enough, it's not loud enough, it's not easy enough, it is too cold. I said that already. And part of our initiation in this life is also to not classically just accept things that are not supportive to us, that are obviously foolhardy, but also to just question that same old conditioned belief of it's to this, because that's just our own belief. It's just our own history that's playing up. It's to find, and I know it's been said so often, to find the comfort in the discomfort. But it is really to find that sweet spot, that place of centeredness where you get over yourself and you embrace the elements, you embrace the discomfort, and you don't make a story of everything. And that's part of just being, but it's also honoring and developing your own resilience. And resilience is what we need during these times. I mean, we all know what we are going through. We all see what the world is going through. Some of us are more aware and awake to the nefarious agendas that's around us. So it is absolutely critical and crucial to develop that spot where you can still find your centeredness amongst everything, amongst the discomfort, over and above what you think things should look like. And to embrace it, to have the joy, because if you have the inner joy amongst everything that's not exactly the way you would like it to be, when you find the strength and when you find the joy in that, you're rock solid. Nothing can move you. You're not a slave to the outside world of how things should be, things that are often beyond your control. And you find that resilience, you find that strength in the everyday approach, in the everyday how you do every little thing, how you even go out and you say, well, this is probably not ideal for me, but hey, it doesn't matter. And to actually not only just handle that, but to find, like I say, the gifts in that, because it brings a different medicine, it brings a different experience to it that's hidden until you're really open to it. So, hence I wanted to make this video where the wind is blowing my hair and you probably can't see or can't hear so much, but that's my message. So, so much love to you, and yeah, enjoy this beautiful day. Enjoy it, warts and all, whatever life throws you, and just go for it. So much love. Bye for now.